Everjade Group Limited is a leading enterprise in the flooring and decorative solutions industry, nearly 20 years. Our company offers a comprehensive range of products including laminate flooring, SPC flooring, engineered flooring, bamboo flooring, WPC decking, and wall panels. We pride ourselves on our state-of-the-art fully automated machines, which allow us to uphold the highest standards of manufacturing excellence. With a vast facility spanning 30,000 square meters, we are committed to delivering top-quality solutions. Everjade team is the backbone of our success. With a workforce of more than 160 professionals, we are able to draw upon a diverse range of expertise and experience. Our dedicated staff includes a seasoned research and development team, constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation in the flooring and decorative solutions industry. Furthermore, our international trade sales force is committed to delivering exceptional service and meeting the diverse needs of our clientele. With an impressive track record, Everjade has achieved annual sales exceeding $20 million. Our products have reached over 128 countries worldwide, establishing us as a global leader in our field. Our reputation for excellence is further strengthened by prestigious certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001 CECO Intertech, and SGS. These certifications serve as a testament to the consistently high quality and reliability of our products, assuring our customers that they are receiving the best in the market. What sets us apart is not just our strong sales figures or certifications, but our unwavering commitment to excellence. We have invested in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and automated machines that enable us to produce flooring and decorative solutions to the highest standards. Our dedication to quality is reflected in every step of our manufacturing process, from sourcing the finest materials to rigorous quality control checks. However, our success is not solely based on our products and certifications. At Everjade, we understand the power of effective teamwork and collaboration. Our employees embody our core values of integrity, professionalism, and passion for what we do. We approach every challenge with determination, precision, and an exceptional attention to detail. We believe that by working together, we can consistently improve and exceed customer expectations. As a forward-thinking company, we are continuously exploring new ways to expand our presence in the global market. Our diverse customer base and extensive network of partners are testament to our craftsmanship, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Whether you are an architect, contractor, distributor, or homeowner, whether where you are, we are committed to providing you with cost-efficient, premium products that enhance your living spaces. Discover the Everjade difference and experience the beauty, quality, and durability of our flooring and decorative solutions. Contact us today and embark on a journey of transforming your living spaces into stunning masterpieces that reflect your unique style and taste. Together, let's create spaces that inspire and captivate. Contact us now to transform your living spaces with our exquisite, cutting-edge, and high-quality renovation solutions.